Today we're going to be drawing a cute popsicle. I'm using an iPad Pro with the app called Procreate and an Apple Pencil. Now you don't need these to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outlines, and some markers and crayons for coloring in. So the first thing we're going to do is create two layers. The top layer we're going to rename to outline, and the bottom layer we're going to rename to color. So let's start off by doing two lines at the bottom. If you hold your pencil really straight, the line will be really straight. And let's finish off with a curve. Then we're going to do a straight horizontal line. Now for the popsicle, we're going to do a straight line, a curve all the way up to here, two bite marks, and we're going to finish off that line. So let's draw a straight line, and then a curve, first bite mark, then the second bite mark, and then we'll finish off that line. Then we can draw a top fudge layer, like a really droopy one. And then we're going to draw the eyes. So let's draw two circles. And then the mouth. And let's color in those eyes. Now let's draw some pupils. We've got our white selected, and we're going to do a circle like that, and then just a small circle right beside it, and the same thing on this side. So now let's start coloring in. We're going to go back up to the layers panel and go to the color layer, and let's select a brown for the popsicle stick. And then for the top, let's do a nice chocolate for that fudge. I'm just going to increase my brush size so that I can go a bit faster. All right, what should we color the popsicle? Let's do a blue. Now you can select whatever color you wish. Now, let's try some sprinkles on the top. let's select a yellow. And all we're gonna do is draw tiny little straight lines like that. And let's just splatter them across and make sure you leave some room for other colors of sprinkles. I'm gonna select pink. And let's do a white. And then finally, let's do that same blue. And you know what else is really cool? I can change this blue to another color. So let's say I want to change it to pink. I just have to select the color and drag it into the blue. And then just touch up some spots. But how cool is that? So there you go, that's your cute popsicle.